Hi, I'm Mark and I'm all about psychology, tech and productivity, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Keychron Travel Pouch and giving some initial first impressions. Now if you've seen any of my other Keychron videos you'll know I'm a huge fan of the K3. So much so I've been carrying it around with me with my MacBook and literally just slipping it into my bag, and I was starting to get worried that my favourite Bluetooth mechanical keyboard was going to get damaged, so I decided to invest in a protective case from the same brand. So along with the unboxing, we'll look at how much protection this case offers and whether it is worth the investment. Let's take a look. So first of all, this case arrives in the usual Keychron bubble wrap, and inside we have this white packaging that all the other Keychron accessories tend to arrive in. Now let's get this open and get to the case. And here's the case in some protective plastic wrapping, and straight away it feels really light. And here we are, some subtle etched Keychron branding and the cotton tie closure. And we can see when empty, it's got a pretty slim profile. So let's get it open and try it out for size. And one thing I'm keen to see is if the pouch will fit both the keyboard and the wooden wrist rest. So no problem with the keyboard, nice, easy fit. And with a bit of effort, this also fits the wooden rest without any bulging or strain being put on the case. So the tie for this is just a piece of cotton, and depending on which case you go with, the cotton tie will be colour matched, which is a nice touch. But I must say this element of the product feels a bit flimsy and probably would work better with a nice piece of elastic to hold the case closed. And in terms of the finish, it almost feels like a high-end wallet or handbag. It's a light leather with a crisscross waxy texture and a slight sheen to it. And the stitching and crafting is high quality and it does feel premium. So the Keychron Travel Pouch retails at $25, and for that price I'd say it's okay value for money. It's clearly not going to stop your keyboard getting crushed or broken from something heavy falling on it, but it will stop it getting scratched in a bag and protect it from any spills. So it's important to note Keychron actually make two types of protective holder for their keyboards, and curiously these two types of case don't fit all of their keyboards. So the one I've unboxed today is the Travel Pouch, and this only fits the K3 or K12 keyboards. And as we can see, this comes in black, orange or grey colour options. There's also the keyboard carrying case, which is only available in black. This retails at $30 and is only compatible with the K2, K4, K6 and K8. Now, obviously, I've not had my hands on this case yet, but I would say that it seems to offer more protection compared to the Travel Pouch, and it's a bit of a shame it's not offered with the K3. As we can see, there's also space for cables and other elements in the carrying case, which seems handy. So those are my initial thoughts on the Keychron Travel Pouch. What do you think? Will you be getting one? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you're thinking of buying anything from Keychron, you can access a discount code in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.